This is not just an SUV. This is a bold statement of power, luxury, and performance combined into one aggressive machine. The Nissan Patrol Nismo 2026 is designed to take everything you expect from a full-size SUV and push it to the next level. From the very first look, this vehicle instantly grabs attention with its clean white exterior and signature Nismo red accents that give it a sporty and high-performance identity, especially from the rear, where the sharp LED taillights, wide stance, and aggressive diffuser create a powerful and dominating presence that feels both modern and muscular at the same time. Every line on this SUV looks purposeful and carefully designed to enhance both aerodynamics and road presence. Moving along the side profile, you can clearly see the large black alloy wheels that add a bold and premium touch, while the strong body structure keeps the classic Patrol DNA alive. The red accented side skirts further enhance its racing-inspired look and make it stand out even more on the road. Step inside, and the cabin continues this story with a perfect balance of luxury and performance, where premium leather seats, Alcantara details, and red stitching create a sporty yet comfortable environment. Nismo badging throughout the interior constantly reminds you that this is not a standard Patrol, but a performance-focused machine. The dashboard is expected to feature a fully digital instrument cluster, along with a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you a smooth and connected driving experience. Under the hood, things become even more exciting as the 2026 Nissan Patrol Nismo is expected to come with a powerful twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering strong horsepower and impressive torque, making it suitable for both city driving and off-road adventures. Paired with a refined automatic transmission and specially tuned suspension by Nismo engineers, this SUV promises a driving experience that is both smooth and thrilling at the same time. But performance is not the only focus here, because this SUV is built to handle all kinds of terrain with confidence thanks to its advanced all-wheel drive system and multiple drive modes that allow it to tackle sand, rocks, and rough roads without hesitation. Whether you are driving in the city or exploring off-road environments, the Patrol Nismo adapts easily and delivers a stable and controlled ride. Safety is also a major highlight, with modern features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, all working together to make your journey safer and more comfortable. Another exciting element is the performance-tuned exhaust system that produces a deeper and more aggressive sound, adding to the overall driving experience every time you accelerate. Combining power, luxury, and advanced technology, this SUV delivers a complete package that feels strong, refined, and exciting at the same time. Now, the real question is, does the 2026 Nissan Patrol Nismo truly stand out in the world of performance SUVs? With its bold design, premium interior, powerful engine, and off-road capability, it definitely makes a strong case as one of the most exciting SUVs in its class. It is not just about getting from one place to another, it's about making a statement every time you hit the road. So, what do you think about this powerful SUV? Would you choose it over other luxury performance vehicles? Let us know your opinion in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Drive Reviews for more amazing automotive content.